SAP EC Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions, Ivor Icha. Master SAP EC Employee Central and gain expertise in cloud-based human resource management, employee data management, organizational structures, workflows, HR processes, and SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central solutions with our comprehensive SAP EC training program. This hands-on training is designed for professionals and organizations looking to automate HR operations, manage employee lifecycle processes, improve workforce management, and implement modern cloud HR solutions using SAP EC. Contact on mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The company provides a comprehensive range of services including employee engagement, talent management, and organizational development. The company offers various training programs for employees and executives, focusing on developing skills and knowledge that are essential for success in today's fast-paced business environment. The company also provides support for implementing new systems and processes, such as SAP SuccessFactors Employee Central. The company has been using traditional methods for managing employee records and performance evaluations. These methods are outdated and inefficient, resulting in wasted time and resources. The current system is also prone to errors and inconsistencies, leading to difficulties in making informed decisions. The company needs an innovative solution to address these issues and improve overall efficiency. The company has decided to adopt a cloud-based human resource management (HRM) system. This decision was made after careful consideration and evaluation of various options. The chosen system is designed to provide real-time data and analytics, enabling organizations to make data-driven decisions. The system also offers advanced features such as automated workflows, mobile accessibility, and integration with other business applications. Hasqual, the company plans to implement the new system over several months. A team of experts will be responsible for setting up and configuring the system, ensuring seamless integration with existing infrastructure. The implementation process will involve multiple stakeholders from different departments, including IT, HR, and management. The company is committed to providing ongoing support and training to ensure successful adoption of the new system. This includes regular updates, maintenance, and troubleshooting. The company also recognizes the importance of change management and will provide necessary resources to facilitate a smooth transition. Individualized learning paths tailored to each learner's needs and goals are offered by us. These paths are designed to support organizations in achieving their objectives, such as SAP certification, career advancement, or HR transformation. Our corporate training tracks are also designed to help organizations achieve these objectives. Learners can benefit from customized training programs delivered at scale, which ensures measurable outcomes. Vistasparks Solutions offers a comprehensive and up-to-date curriculum that is designed to meet the demands of real SAP projects. This ensures that all concepts are reinforced through hands-on, production-grade exercises. Our approach bridges the gap between learning and mastering SAP SuccessFactors in a real-world setting, providing a strong foundation for individuals and enterprises. With flexible mentorship and personalized guidance, our learning experience is tailored to your needs and schedule. We are committed to certification and career growth, providing a clear path to SAP certification and quick advancement in HR technology. By partnering with us, you can empower yourself digitally and take the first step towards a brighter future in HR. Our dedicated team of experts is always available to guide you through the process, offering expert support and advice whenever you need it. Whether you are looking to enhance your current knowledge or start from scratch, we have you covered. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your skills and advance your career. Contact us now to learn more about our programs and services. Visit our website at vistasparks.com to explore our offerings and begin your journey to success. Join our community of like-minded individuals who share a passion for HR technology, and let's work together to create a better future. We are confident that our solutions will help you achieve your goals and realize your dreams. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for any questions or further assistance. We are committed to providing you with the highest level of service. The first phase of the comprehensive training program is focused on gaining foundational mastery over the SuccessFactors platform. The 3 modules that make up this phase are designed to build upon each other, providing a solid foundation for understanding the system. Module 1 introduces the basics of SuccessFactors, including objects, data models, and environment configuration. How many? Module 2 focuses on system provisioning, which includes setting up the platform, understanding its SaaS architecture, and configuring it according to best practices. Module 3 provides an in-depth look at data models, offering a thorough understanding of the object hierarchy and environment configuration. Through these modules, participants will develop essential skills necessary for implementing and managing the SuccessFactors platform. The course agenda for Phase 2 of our program includes 6 modules: Core Configuration, Role-Based Processing and Security, Foundation Objects, Business Processes, XML Configurations, and Enterprise Security Governance. The first module, Core Configuration, covers essential configuration needed to set up a system. This module will focus on setting up the core components of the system, including user management, authentication, authorization, and data storage. The second module, Role-Based Processing and Security, delves into the complexities of role-based processing and security. This module will cover topics such as access control, object management, and security policies. The third module, Foundation Objects, explores the foundation objects that are used throughout the system. This module will cover topics such as data types, data structures, and object-oriented programming concepts. The fourth module, Business Processes, examines the business processes that govern the system's operations. This module will cover topics such as workflow management, decision-making, and process optimization. The fifth module, XML Configurations, configures the system using XML technologies. This module will cover topics such as XML schema design, XML data binding, and XML validation. The sixth module, Enterprise Security Governance, provides guidance on implementing enterprise security governance models. This module will cover topics such as organizational hierarchy structures, customization techniques, and security governance best practices. The module covers the configuration of leave types, including the creation of custom leave types, the assignment of leave balances, and the setting up of leave accruals. It also covers the design and implementation of approval processes for leave requests, which include the creation of approval hierarchies, the establishment of approval thresholds, and the setup of automated approval workflows. The module also delves into the management of absence management, including the tracking of absences, the calculation of absence rates, and the generation of absence reports. Furthermore, it covers the management of rules, including the creation of rules, the assignment of rules to employees, and the setup of rule-based workflows. The module also discusses the management of workflows, including the creation of workflows, the assignment of tasks to employees, and the setup of task-based workflows. Advanced integration in SuccessFactors enables organizations to streamline their processes and improve efficiency. Advanced object definitions are used to structure and maintain data effectively. Real-time dashboards can be built to provide instant insights, while migration strategies ensure smooth transitions between modules. Custom reports can be created to support decision-making, and data integrity is maintained at scale. By mastering these integrations, organizations can make informed decisions using real-time analytics, empowers, on Hands-on simulations allow participants to work through real project scenarios, gaining hands-on experience with SAP systems. This direct, guided approach enables learners to navigate both the admin center and provisioning tools environments, developing essential skills for enterprise implementations. By working through simulated projects, participants can replicate live SAP environments, producing production-ready skills that can be applied immediately in their roles, starting from day one. The company provides a unique approach to training by focusing on the needs of the organization rather than just individual employee development. This approach allows for more effective learning outcomes and better alignment with organizational goals. Our training programs are designed to address specific pain points and challenges faced by organizations in various industries. We offer flexible delivery options to accommodate different learning styles and preferences. Our team of experienced trainers and subject matter experts work closely with clients to understand their unique requirements and develop customized training solutions that meet their specific needs. The focus of Part 2 is on the human element of human resources, HR. The key benefits include reduced administrative overhead, unified HR platforms, and enhanced talent visibility. Consolidating global HR operations into a single source of truth allows organizations to streamline their processes and empower managers with data-driven insights. These enable managers to make informed decisions and drive smoother global mobility and talent development programs. Expert-led training provides individuals and enterprises with the necessary skills to succeed in this new environment. Our training program is designed to help you overcome the challenges of implementing SAP SuccessFactors in the real world. We break down barriers by addressing the common hurdles that SAP consultants face in the field. The curriculum directly tackles the complexities of integrating SAP SuccessFactors with other systems, such as ERP and cloud-based solutions. We also focus on navigating the SuccessFactors user interface and mobile experience, so you can work confidently with these tools. Our program helps bridge the gaps between on-premise ERP and cloud modules, ensuring seamless integration. Furthermore, we provide guidance on global compliance and localization settings, as well as mastering HR compliance standards. By the time you finish our training, you will have the knowledge and skills needed to tackle even the most complex HR challenges. The Technical Edge Advanced Business Configuration is a powerful tool that enables us to master business configuration. With it, we can create complex rules and define them using UI. We will also explore associations and system behavior control, as well as customizing our MDF configuration. Furthermore, this framework allows us to troubleshoot complex HR issues systematically, ensuring that we have a deep understanding of the system behavior and can resolve any problems that may arise. By mastering the advanced business configuration, we can take our HR systems to the next level and achieve greater efficiency and effectiveness. The organization offers various services to support the development of its employees. These include training programs for SAP certification, which are designed to help individuals gain the skills needed to succeed in this field. The organization also provides resources such as mock tests, resume building, and interview preparation to assist employees in achieving their career goals. Furthermore, the organization offers expert advice on how to build a strong and sustainable internal pipeline of certified HR professionals. This helps organizations to identify and certify SAP consultant roles, ultimately leading to business success and career advancement. By providing these resources, the organization aims to enable employees to confidently identify and pursue SAP consultant roles, thereby attracting and retaining top talent. The trainers at Vistasparks are highly experienced consultants who have worked on numerous projects globally. They bring real-world expertise to the classroom, ensuring that participants gain practical insights into implementing SAP solutions. Through project-based case studies, learners can apply theoretical concepts to real-world scenarios, reinforcing their understanding and developing problem-solving skills. Our collaborative learning environment fosters a supportive atmosphere where peers can share knowledge, learn from each other, and build confidence in their abilities. This approach maximizes knowledge retention and equips learners with the skills necessary to succeed in their roles. Our clients have achieved real-world outcomes through our services. Over 500 professionals have been successfully placed in top-tier companies worldwide. This has led to a significant increase in talent performance, with a 30% boost reported. Our programs have also helped bridge the skills gap for numerous organizations, allowing them to optimize their workforces and enhance overall performance. Many multinational corporations and consulting firms have benefited from our assistance in optimizing their human resources operations. Our corporate programs have empowered individuals to acquire the necessary skills to thrive in today's fast-paced HR environment. Partnering with us enables organizations to stay competitive and up-to-date with industry trends. Vistasparks provides comprehensive support for students and professionals alike. The support system includes access to cutting-edge tools and resources, which enables students to stay ahead of the curve. Students also have access to 24/7 lab facilities where they can practice in live, like SAP environments. This facility allows students to work on projects at their own pace, giving them the flexibility to learn on their own schedule. In addition, Vistasparks has exclusive repositories of industry best practices and implementation guides. These resources provide valuable insights and expertise to students. Furthermore, Vistasparks has an active alumni community that offers networking opportunities, mentorship, and career advancement possibilities. This community helps students to connect with other professionals in their field, potentially leading to new job opportunities. The active alumni community also provides guidance and support to students who are looking to advance their careers. Students who complete their training with Vistasparks can expect to be well prepared for their future careers. The training program is designed to bridge the gap between theory and practice by providing a comprehensive curriculum that covers all aspects of SAP SuccessFactors. The program is tailored to meet the specific needs of real-world projects, allowing participants to apply their knowledge in practical settings. The training emphasizes hands-on learning, combining theoretical knowledge with experiential implementation exercises. This approach enables participants to develop practical skills and apply them in real-world scenarios. The program also includes ongoing support and reinforcement, ensuring that participants continue to grow and develop throughout their careers. The company provides training on various topics including IT, security, data analytics, and digital transformation. The training covers both theoretical foundations and practical applications. The company has been working on developing its human resources management system since 2010. Over the years, it has made significant progress in this area. The company's human resources management system is designed to support the development of employees and improve their job satisfaction. The system includes various tools and features that enable employees to take ownership of their work and make informed decisions about their careers. The company also provides training and development opportunities to help employees acquire new skills and knowledge. The system is designed to be flexible and adaptable to meet the changing needs of the organization. The company has received positive feedback from its clients regarding the effectiveness of its human resources management system.